It is the rare Mugsynator. It hops, but it's a dog too. It's a Dalmatian and a mutt. It's a rare Mugsynator. He bounces. Mugsynator. Mugs! Kidding, it's my dog. He ain't very harmless. He's just a puppy. Though he's a bigger. He's a biggin. He's so cute. Max! And he's ignoring me. And there he goes. See, he bounces. And see? And that's basically all today. So yeah, talk to you later. Do I look cute today though? I look so cute today. That's what at least one of my friends say. I don't think so. But anyways, yeah, and I'm outside. Finally outside for once. So yeah, talk to you later. Peace. Wait. It's not turning off.